Hey guys, today we're gonna do something a little bit different. We've got some windows that we're gonna replace in this house. The house is already finished. The windows came in late because of scheduling difficulties. So we're working on already existing finished drywall here. You've got an existing wall that we're gonna basically taking these 1970s aluminum windows out and putting in a brand new window, which you'll see there in the background. I'll show you here in a second. But this is all gonna be today, letting you know how we do windows and how much that costs and how you get that done in your house. So look forward to showing this to you. Let me get some more videos shot and we'll come back to you. Installed over here at this house. These openings right here are ready. We've just gotten all the demo done. You'll see some of the aluminum out here in the yard. It's stacked up. So this is one of the openings. It's prepped here, ready for the window. House is currently open with the windows here. And then this window here has just been set into place. It's just temporarily held here. He is working on making that be ready for him to finish it up. Okay, we are done putting in the windows here at this house in Garland. I want to shout out to Carlos, my installer. These guys, they came in ready to work and they are already out of here and it is not even 2 o'clock. So I want to show you around. We haven't painted the house exterior yet, so we still got some uglies here, but the windows are looking good. By the way, Freddie, Dreamline, great pricing. Here in Dallas, these guys will knock it out. So if you need my help, give me a call. But anyways, trim in, caulk in, right up against the edge. These guys put it straight up. The only thing they didn't do was clean their sweaty arms off the windows, but I'll get that fixed with somebody else. This looks great. Front of this house looks great. Just want to say hi to everybody. Windows are in at Roanoke. So talk to you soon. Give us a call.